The Journey of Prophet Jesus, Isa. One day Jesus left his home and set out on a long walk. At the beginning of this journey, he met a man, among the man of his community, who wanted to accompany him at all costs. He had 2 loaves of bread hidden in a bag, and Isa had 1 loaf of bread for him and said to the man, "We will share our food on this journey if you are willing." The man agreed, but when the man learned that Isa had only 1 loaf, he regretted what he said and came to a moment Jesus entered into prayer. The man took advantage of this moment to isolate himself and to eat 1 of his 2 loaves in secret. They went back on the road, and sometime later, they stopped to eat. Isa took out his bread, and the man took out his remaining bread. Allah made it easy for Isa to know that the man who accompanied him had 2 loaves of bread. Initially, Isa said to him, "Where is your other bread?" The astonished man answered, "But I have only 1 piece of bread." Isa did not insist. Then the 2 men slept by the fire. This is the end of the first part of this episode. In the next one, we will see what will happen the next day. Subscribe for more content.